Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Hold the Aime card flat and line it up with the reader. Do not tap wildly. First, verify the cabinet shows only way and an Aime prompt, then choose New Card or Link Account. If prompted, enter a simple username and 4 8-digit PIN. This secures saves. Once registered, the machine writes initial data to the card. Wait for the confirmation beep and green light before removing the card so you don't corrupt the file. You now use the Aime card as your save key. Insert or hold it to the reader and choose Login. Type your PIN and confirm. As you progress in only way, the game will prompt saves or unlocks. Accept them so the card stores progress. Make sure to wait for the right complete message and the solid LED. Otherwise, the save may fail. If you switch cabinets, always log out, remove the card, and reinsert at the next machine to resume correctly. To finish a session, return to the menu, choose Logout, and wait for the confirmation beep and green LED. Only then remove the Aime card. If a save or unlock fails, reinsert and retry one time. If errors continue, try another cabinet or report the issue to staff so they can check the reader. As a precaution, link the Aime to the official cloud or request a duplicate if the system permits. That preserves progress if the card degrades or is lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.